It's the brightest season of all, with the laughter resounding, the children surrounding, and joy in the hall. It's the brightest season of all. It's the warm-hearted time that we share, with the greetings and chatter, the memories that matter, and friends everywhere. It's the warm-hearted time that we share. There'll be candles all glowing, and snowfall still showing, and voices that rise in the night. There'll be stories retelling, and bells that are swelling, with music that carries the light. It's the bride.